What's going on, guys? So I get so many questions about my camera gear, seeing that I'm a big fitness influencer, but also a filmmaker. I get so many questions about my gear and I answer it so often I feel like nobody's looking at it. So I just decided to make a video about it. So if I ever get another question, I can just send them the video link. Like, hey, this is exactly what I use. Now, when I originally made this video, because I don't feel like shooting that again, I posted it on TikTok and Instagram, meaning that the screen is not sideways like this. Instead, it goes up and down like TikTok and Instagram, like up and down. So I record, instead of recording on my videos like this, I actually turn my camera sideways and I hold it like this to record on my videos. Does that make sense? So here's the video showing exactly what kind of camera gear I use. I did like a 1980s like fitness montage just to like throw some fitness in there because I knew you guys wanted to see the fit stuff and all the muscles and the funny jokes. So I get this question so often I made a video about it. So many people like to ask me what kind of camera gear I'm using. Keep it simple. I like to use